Kwezi attacked a client at the office thinking that it's Gumede and ended up collapsing. And Kosi had warned her not to go to the office in this state, but she insisted. Stoko is doing too much. She's now cooking for Alfred. But Matlasa is like, nope, not under my watch. You are not replacing my mom. And Maroti wants to divorce Rachel. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skim Sam. So Ukwezi is all over the place thinking that because of the Gumede situation, Kosi thinks that she needs to go see a Sangoma because now Udakalo is scared, thinking that their house is haunted. But Ukwezi is like, nope, I'm not seeing a Sangoma because I'm in this mess. I'm not going back there. Now Ukwezi wants to go to the office saying that she's got a big client coming. But Nkosi thinks it's not a good idea because she's not okay. But she insists that she wants to go. Clement phones Pretty telling her that she is back at work. Ukwezi reinstated her. Pretty thinks, what is it that you did to go back to work? I hope you did not get into any trouble when a pumpkin. I don't know, but I didn't. Now, Clement can't even share what happened. Ukwezi coming to Vanessa's house and keeps telling himself, you saw nothing happened. Kwezi is not crazy. He goes to the office and the colleagues are still like finding it hard to welcome Clement after his scandal of Mitagamizwa. And Usihle is giving him a hard time, saying, I hope you're not going to embarrass us again in front of clients. And I hope you are clean and not high because just funtina as fun just telling thinking. And then Nkosi is shocked. What is Clement doing here? Because Kwezi forgot to tell him, Clement is back at work. And then Ukwezi wanted Clement to join the meeting with the big client, but Usihle was like, nope, not under my watch. Clement doesn't funge meeting. Remember what he did last time is unpredictable. And then they go to the meeting, Ukwezi, Nkosi and Sihle. And only for Ukwezi to start seeing Ugumede. Ukwezi is nothing to see the client Ugumede because now Ukwezi is busy saying, hauhambela pumala, throwing things at the client. Now that everyone is shocked, especially what's going on. Nkosi is trying to contain the situation. Busy because no man, what's going on? Like he's trying to contain the situation. You wanna go to come and Ukwezi ubona Ugumede ngempela. Ukwezi is busy attacking this girl, and now Nkosi decided, you know what, this is getting out of hand because now Ukwezi is attacking a client that's supposed to bring the money, and then Nkosi took the client, and took her outside saying that Ukwezi lost someone close to her. So she says not been sleeping, she's having a hard time sleeping, and took her out so that to contain the situation. Situation escalator kuKwezi. Kwezi is hearing things. Ugumede is busy saying, I'm giving you 2 days, come clean, kuluma iqiniso. Sihle is furious, saying, how can you do this to us? How can you ruin such a big chance for us? Ruin opportunity ngaka Kwezi. If you want to sabotage the company, yabona ukuthi uyahluleka urana le company. Mina nje, I'm not going to go down with you. Ngiyahambala. Yo, Usihle caused a scene. Now Ukwezi is also disoriented because Nkosi is not there to contain the situation. Nkosi went out with the client, trying to contain the situation at client. Usihle is all over the place. Ukwezi is going on because Gumede is busy telling Ukwezi to come clean. She only has 2 days. She needs to come clean. Ganjalo. Now Ukwezi Shem is getting so, she's even feeling weak now, and Ukwezi ends up collapsing. Now Usihle is scared, calling everyone, Nkosi, please come. Buya, because now Kwezi is worried because what's going to happen to Mtanake because Ugumede is threatening Kwezi ngo LJ, and that is like a mother's weakness. If Ugumede is threatening ingane yakhe, like that is like the end point. Now Ukwezi has collapsed. Usihle is worried because what's going on, call an ambulance. So the ambulance comes, and Ukwezi apparently it's just high blood, ikhuphukile. Obviously ngahlala ngakhuphuka ubona isipoki. Now Sihle decides ukuthi yazi Nkwezi, you need to go to the doctor because they said high blood yakhe ikhuphukile, because Sihle does not know what's going on. Ukwezi decides insists ukuthi it's just high blood, man, it's nothing. Hey, Nkosi is just standing there. Now Usihle is overreacting, saying ukuthi yena nje she's not going to stick around and let Ukwezi drag her down with her. Uyahamba yena. Nkosi had to contain the situation. No man, I can't. You can't leave her like this. She needs us. Asikwati kumshiya nje kanjalo. We can't just leave her like this. Ukwezi kahle. Nkosi decided to tell uSihle ukuthi uKhwezi has been bewitched because Sihle doesn't understand because why you bring Clement Bank, are you high? Are you also uthatha idakamizwa nawe usupplier wena uClement agcina athi uloyi uKhwezi, that's why she's acting like this. Ubezothini nje Nkosi? Now usithoke nanga, she's doing too much. Cooked food, imagine a whole meal. Weza nayo kwaMahonga, brought that meal at Mahonga's house, found uMahlatsi. She said that she's bringing them food so that she can give them a break from cooking. Mahlatsi, hey, we don't need a break now. We actually love cooking, Gamu. Now Alfred was furious. Wena, I did not raise you like this. Waringana, how do you speak to adults like that? Togo was so embarrassed and went out rushing. Did you just hi? Liana, she's too forward. Why is she now cooking for Mahonga? I mean, a whole meal that you cook at your house and you bring it to his place. She's doing too much, man. And then Mahonga had to follow her and go and get the food back. And then reprimanded Mahlatsi when I didn't raise you like this. Mahlatsi is blaming Litejo, saying, you're the one that's putting ideas in my head. Now Mahlatsi cannot unsee what Litejo said because now he feels like, oh, Togo. Remember Litejo is trying to replace his mom, Usilia. And then, but who would blame him? I mean, like, kids usually don't want to have someone replace their parent if they divorce and the parent is still alive. Even if they're not alive anymore, it's just hard for them to stomach that. Now, the teachers are busy celebrating. We see they had a good time at Mahonga's house at the braai, and they saw talents dancing and Mr. Kulu and his cooking skills. And then Mr. Kulu is busy campaigning to get someone to replace him to do the choir thing. Now, I don't know why they're busy got this choir thing, because they released a poster, Mr. Kulu, that he's going to be in the choir. Why are they not looking for him? Why is anyone not seeing that poster on Facebook? And now they're quiet about it. We want to see, you want to know what's going to happen. Is he going to go to the choir thing or not? Now, Maroti says that he wants to see Rachel because he wants to get a divorce. And because someone is threatening his life and is worried they might kill him, and then he must lose, Wanahai will be left without Pap. Now Leota's trying to help him, saying, I'm going to connect you to Rachel so that you can speak to him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.